Kurise y Coco.
Kurise irisu.
Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing fine wherever you are. Today I'm with my younger sister and she is learning Shona. She's learning Shona. So she's going to speak Shona today. Yes,
Hi
Alka.
guys, kurise kono koko.
Kono kono. Say Zirise.
Zirise,
Kurise y Coco.
zirise, kurise y koko.
Zirise.
Zirise,
Kurise y Coco.
kurise irisu.
Kurise, Zirise y Coco.
Kurise irise.
Zirise, Kurise y Coco.
Zirise,
Kurise y Coco.
kurise y koko.
Coco. Yes. Yeah. So today I'm with my younger sister. So you see that Shona is not really easy language. So see, she's also